Welcome again to CryptoJet holders, shillers, and my fellow blockchain degenerates. Today we're going to be talking about a very interesting game based on NFT cards and insane prizes that you can actually win for competing in a fantasy football league based on performances of real players around the world. So if you enjoyed the video, don't hesitate to leave a like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss out on the best crypto news, insights, and of course my beautiful voice. Now, starting off, first of all, we have a community of around 60k people at this point, and the sort of catchphrase is experiencing true football connection in the global fantasy football game. You can trade and collect digital NFT cards. So it's called Sorare. Go check it out, sorare.com. 60k followers, community. You can pick a legend, guess their score, retweet. You can enter this giveaway right here. Check out their news. Definitely recommend looking at their Twitter page because their community is growing every single day, and they will have a token released, I believe, in the future. It's called the Sorare SOR token, and currently you can see there's 20k followers, but there's no public information about it, so I believe it's going to be released at some point in the future. So what it actually is, we're going to actually play this game in a few minutes. So I'm going to play and lead you through the sign up process and how everything actually looks. But before that, let's just have a look at what you can do. So you have 200 clubs officially licensed and new ones coming out every week. You basically collect and trade the digital cards. So you have players around the world and they're all of different, right? So you have limited, you have rare, you have super rare and unique cards. So one per season for the unique cards, and obviously they will have the largest value. Moving on, you can actually scout and put your football passion to the test, connect and trade with other fans in the open marketplace. You can build and manage your squad, build strategies, create lineups, earn points based on your players' real life performances. So you construct a team and how your players are doing in real life, similar to how, for example, FIFA is rating players for the games, right? So they look at the real life performance and they assign them a number rating from 0 to 100. Same will be here. So it's very interesting. Experience a deeper connection with football as you watch your players make history on the pitch. So yeah, classic. You can earn weekly prizes. So prove your skills by competing against other managers. If you actually beat the game or become first in the whole league, you will get multiple NFT card prizes that are worth, thousands of dollars potentially. So right here, we can actually start to play the game. Is there anything else down here? So you can see some investors right here. Griezmann, PK, Andre, Schürrle. They're all actually connected with this project as investors and advisors for their board. Now, give me a second and I will log into the game so you don't actually see my personal data. And then I'm going to take you through the whole process. So first of all, after you sign up for this game, you're actually going to have to choose 4 of your favorite clubs. And then you just press done. You select any of the 200 clubs there, and then you get a free pack of players. Now let's see if I actually make something interesting. So nothing too interesting, but let's just go ahead. They're all common players, obviously, for the first pick. Now you can actually join 3 types of leagues. So the All-Star League, which is a dream team of players from all around the world, Under 23 and European Championship. Moving on, you can actually compete in these leagues where your total score is based on your team players' performance and their performance in actual real life. So basically what happens is if you win this, you can actually make significant amounts of money by getting these prizes or rare NFT cards, which can actually even grow in value even more in the future. So if you press let's play, you can actually enter a team in the casual mode or whatever. 31,000 managers already entered into this game, and just press enter. So a new player is now joining a squad. All you do is open the pack, reveal all the players, and did we get anything interesting? No, we didn't, but we just started playing the game. So if we actually move on, I'm just going to guide you through in general what happens after you actually sign up and everything. So first you have to choose a goalkeeper, then you have to choose defenders. So choosing these 2 guys, forward and extra or whatever. I'm just going to choose random players at this point because it doesn't matter. You choose who your captain is going to be and press confirm. After you've done that, obviously you get another player so you can fulfill your squad. Oliver Giroud, damn, actually I like the player. So what happens now new cards are actually created every season. So in 2020 and 2021, there will be 100 rare Messi cards. And they're all generated on the blockchain, and they are provably scarce, so cards cannot be duplicated, and they can increase in value. So super rare cards, there will be 10 per player. Unique cards, there will be 1 per player. And limited cards, 1,000 per player. It doesn't really matter. So basically, player cards in Sorare are scarce. There's a limited amount in circulation, and they come in 4 scarcities. Moving on, when you actually select a card, you will find valuable information such as the average score, any bonus, and experience points. And obviously, are they under 23 or not? Moving on, let's find a player you like. You can actually follow them. So let's use Messi, Mbappe, Ronaldo, and Virgil van Dijk, and just move on. So you can literally just follow their performance by pressing follow. We got Castillejo. Next step. And what happens now? You are welcomed to the marketplace, where you can have new card auctions. So you actually bid on new cards in auctions, and the highest bid actually wins the card. And manager sales, where you purchase cards directly from another manager by a fixed price or whatnot. So you can actually enter this. I'm going to skip it for now and just give you a little look about everything and how it actually looks. So right here, you can collect your cards, customize your profile, visit your own personal club. If you actually go in there, you can see pretty much all the important information: squad, position, league, limited, rare, super rare, except I have none of them. You can go to the market with auctions, so for example in the cards and everything, and you can just buy them for a real price because they're all NFT based cards. You can play, so you can actually go into your squads, and obviously on CryptoJet FC, you can see your settings and everything. You can ask for help. You can actually follow them on their social media communities, as I showed you the Twitter right here, and basically a lot of other things that will probably come in the future. So the whole idea and the main part of this thing is the marketplace and actually playing in the league. If you actually invite some friends, you will get some sort of bonus. So if you move a bit down, you can actually go and visit their help center to learn how the whole gaming and everything works. But all in all, that would be it for this project. I am very excited of how they will actually progress in the future, because this is taking fantasy football leagues to a completely different level, because simply you're connecting NFTs with a fantasy football league. So instead of having thousands of people wasting their time playing fantasy football league, yes, it's fun, but once you turn it off, you don't really get anything from it. Well, here you can actually collect something from it and earn real life money. So that would be it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe and leave a comment if you have any video ideas for the future. Until we meet again, hodl for dear life, and I will see you all in the next video. Adios.